they measure in 5-year increments. And so the question is, if you're diagnosed with cancer, what are the chances you're going to die of that cancer in 5 years?
88% of people diagnosed with stage 4 colorectal cancer die in 5 years.
We know there are circumstances that are beyond our capabilities, and that's where we need additional resources, additional research, additional discoveries.
The Minnesota Colorectal Cancer Research Foundation provides funding for scientists whose research has the potential to find new and better treatment options.
With the initial findings people have been getting with the new targeted therapy and immunotherapy, it's possible that it could be a game changer.
For me in my work, we were studying a protein that there's virtually nothing known about in human cells. Though we think it's involved in colon cancer, there's not a lot of existing data to kind of shape our ideas. And so we want to do experiments that would allow us to generate other hypotheses.
High risk, high reward research requires funding that strategically is aimed at that kind of research, that is willing to take a chance to try something novel.
It's essentially seed money that we use then to nurture our initial experiments, to get our preliminary data, we call it, so that we can then apply for the larger dollars. So that this seed money we get from MCCRF is extremely helpful.
Innovative research that translates cutting-edge science into meaningful health outcomes is expensive.
I worry every day about funding my research for colon cancer. It's a battle every day.
The real cost of doing science is outstanding. I can buy chemicals that you can barely see with your own eyes that cost $500 or $600 for a tube, and it could last me maybe 5 experiments.
The success rate for the big federal government grants is about 7%. So 100 grants come in, they fund maybe 7 of them. And I'm competing against the whole nation. That's one of the reasons I love these organizations like the Minnesota Colorectal Cancer Research Fund, because they concentrate on raising money in the state of Minnesota and they focus on Minnesota.
And cure is the goal. And in order to take the next step and move forward, we need funding.